Alright, it's Monday morning, and time to get to work. Ugh, what is that taste in my mouth? Perhaps chowing down on the second helping of garlic chicken last night wasn't the best idea. Looks like a fresh mint is just what the doctor ordered. Whoa! If you share an office with a bunch of mint moochers like Mia here, you know the pain of having to share your stuff. If only there was a way to keep your mints out of plain sight so no one could steal them from you anymore. Snag an old container like this one and put your mints or gum in there. Next, put the container underneath the plant right there in the pot. Great, that fits perfectly. Put that sucker right back onto your desk and no one will ever know your precious mint stash is hiding in there. In fact, those are so well hidden you may forget they're even hiding in there yourself. But in the meantime, you can enjoy fresh, garlic-free breath any time of the day, moocher-free. Ah, that's so much better.
Going to the movies with a buddy is a great way to spend a Friday night. Just remember to buy 2 separate buckets of popcorn. You were smart enough to get a snack, so why should you have to suffer through this for the entire duration of a movie? Okay, maybe if I just move the bucket far over, she won't want to keep reaching for it. There we go. Try and get these now, Vicky. Ugh, seriously? Okay, there's gotta be a way to stop her from taking all my popcorn. Oh, I know exactly what to do. If you happen to be wearing a hoodie that day, go ahead and turn it around so that the hoodie is right under your head. Yep, just twist it around just like this. Once your arms are back inside, go ahead and pour your popcorn into the hood. Come to Papa, you buttery, salty morsels. Job well done, Kevin. Bon appetit. Hey, give me some more pop. Hey! Sorry, I guess there isn't any left. Fine, you can get your own ride home later.
Oh, there's Amy chomping away on M&Ms again. Man, I could really use some of those right now. Maybe if I ring this doorbell a couple of times, Amy will leave the candy alone so I can steal some. That's weird, I'm not expecting company. I'd better get the door. And it worked! The candy is mine! Time to dig in. Hello? Anyone there? That's odd. Better eat as many as I can before she realizes there's no one at the door and comes back. Oh no, Amy's coming back. Oh, screw it. Just grab as many as you can and get out of there, Helly. Okay, where were we? Hey, where's all my candy? Oh, come on, it's all gone? Not one piece left? Wait a minute, I have an idea. You look innocent enough, Mr. Teddy. I'm gonna turn you into the perfect hiding spot. Okay, if you're squeamish, you may not like what you're about to see. Just kidding. Kind of. Don't worry, you'll reattach it later. Go ahead and take some of the fluff out to make room for the jar you'll put in there. Get a small jar or container like this one, take the lid off, and place it into the torso of the bear. With a glue gun, outline the jar just under where the lid will screw on and press the surrounding fur on it. Pour anything you want in there, candy, pretzels, you name it. Now put the bear head with the glued lid under it right back onto the top of the body. Screws right on, see? Aw, it's so cute! And when you get hungry for a snack, pop that sucker's head right off and take a handful of sugary goodness. Oh gosh, is that Helly I hear? Quick, hide the candy! Oh, hey! Nothing to see here. Hey, is that chocolate I smell? Nope, don't know what you're talking about. Just chewing some gum, that's all. Could've sworn I smelled chocolate.
Man, all this test-taking really makes me work up an appetite. Aha! A little sugar jolt is exactly what I need right now. Which one should I eat first? Huh? Fine, you can have them back. I don't think I can wait till lunch to eat. Behold, more delicious chocolate! Geez, what's a girl gotta do to get a moment alone with a sweet treat around here? Wait a minute, I know exactly what I should do. Put one of your binders onto your desk and open the metal rings. Take a clear sleeve and assemble it onto the rings. Poke it through if you have to. Now stash your favorite treats into the clear sleeve. Now you have your very own secret stash. Is the coast clear? Time to indulge in a secret snack. Nothing to see here, people.
Shouldn't you guys be focusing on your work? Way to play it cool, Lily. Time to reward yourself for a job well done. Oh, yeah, that's the stuff.
Mia, didn't anyone tell you you're not supposed to text in class? Or, more importantly, don't ever leave a yummy snack unattended with Amy in the nearby vicinity. Yep, she's eating all the cookies, every last one. Hey, Amy, what you chewing on there? Those better not be my cookies.
Oh no! How could you do that? I was looking forward to eating those all afternoon.
That's it. You're officially uninvited to my birthday party next weekend, Amy. Ah, another glorious morning. Time to brush the old chompers. Ugh, I had garlic chicken last night, so lots of minty goodness is necessary this morning.
Wait a minute. That reminds me. I never had a chance to get back at Amy for eating my precious Oreos the other day.
And I know the perfect revenge. Take an Oreo cookie and remove the filling. Go ahead and squeeze some white toothpaste right onto the cookie so that it looks just like the normal filling. Yum! Put the cookie halves back together and push them against each other. Looks like the real thing, right? Oh, good morning, Amy.
Hello.
All right, I've got my notebook and my cookies. Say there, Amy. You want one of my Oreos? Duh. Thanks. This has an odd minty flavor to it. And not in a good way. Quick, somebody bring a garbage pail over here. This may not end well. Hey, there's nothing wrong with enjoying a little cocktail now and then. Hey, it's gotta be 5 o'clock somewhere, right? Oh man, I'm done already? What's a girl gotta do to get another drink around here? Today is rough, man. Oh, hey there, Helly. Looking for another one of these? Here, we can share it. Okay, great, thanks. Yup, that definitely hit the spot. Thanks, Vicky. Just one thing, you were drinking whatever was coming out of my mouth. Sure, wait, what? Oh god, I think I'm gonna be sick. Oh man, that was just too easy. Remember these from back in grade school? Here's how you can still have some fun with them today. Take a small wad of Play-Doh and cut it into a square with an X-Acto knife, like this one. Once you have a perfect square, take it into your hands and gently mold it to look smoother around the edges. See? Now drop it into an empty gum wrapper like this one here. Oh, I could really use a piece of gum. Strawberry, my favorite. Hey, what you got there, Amy? Whoa, you're really good at that. Hey, care to share the wealth there? Why, of course. How rude of me. Ever wonder if Play-Doh tastes like gum? We're about to find out. What is this? What the heck? What on earth is wrong with this gum? Ugh, this is awful. New day, same boring snacks. If only there were some good snacks in the house. Well, worry not, Helly. Vicky is such an amazing friend, she brought you your very own cupcake. Bon appetit! What the? This cupcake is full of water. Oh no, look at that. It spilled all in her lap. Just fill a bowl up with some liquid and cover a balloon or soft lid with some frosting, so when it's cut into, it goes everywhere. Oh, don't worry, Helly. You'll get Vicky back. Love dessert? How about some sponge cake? No, not the kind your grandma used to make. I'm talking about a literal sponge cake. Pour some yummy frosting on a regular old sponge like so. Once it's on there, take a knife and spread it all around. The key is to make sure to cover the entire sponge so you can't tell at all what it is. Wow, that looks pretty real. Don't forget to cover those edges. And as a finishing touch, sprinkle on some rainbow sprinkles. Looks pretty yummy, doesn't it? Okay, now comes the fun part. Vicky! You're such an awesome friend. You deserve a yummy treat just as special as you are. Aw, so sweet, right? Wow, Vicky, that looks pretty tasty, doesn't it? What flavor do you think is inside?
Chocolate? Vanilla? Soapy sponge, perhaps? Well, there's only one way to find out. Here goes nothing. Oh, God, what on earth is this? Aren't your teeth supposed to sink into something like this? Ugh. Wow, girl. You almost ate a sponge. A sponge!